weekend brunch. I'm already cooking the rice, and we have these hot dogs from the Filipino market that we got the other day. We also have dried fish, but I am going to cook this dried fish on another day because we are going to a birthday party, and the smell of dried fish is pretty strong. And then also have this eggs. These are from Pig and Jerry's. They are organic fed, non-GMO, from small family farms. So no hormones, no antibiotics, no synthetic pesticides. I'm going to cook 5, but first I need to harvest some eggplant. I'm going to cook eggplant too. The eggplant is actually not ready yet, so I'm preparing this battle gourd instead. I'm going to make like soup. I'm using this Zakali knife again. I have another video where I showed this when I was making, or when I was cooking chicken wings. If you could check that out, that would be great. The battle gourd, they oxidize like fast, so you have to, like after you slice, you have to cook them right away. Like, see, it turns gray. It's turning gray now, like really fast. I am cooking the battle gourd here. I'm going to use 555 sardines as like the flavoring on this one. This is a very typical like food in the Philippines when there is a typhoon. There's always typhoon there during rainy season.
Mom, why did you put a cut on the sausage?
Oh, I did because it's so the inside gets cooked faster, and also more of like aesthetic. Like it looks prettier when there's a cut when it gets cooked.
Oh, that's really nice.
I'm going to post the our shopping house, our trip to Seafood City. That's where we went to get all this like Filipino stuff. We also got the new, like, I don't know, it's my husband said he saw this in the Philippines when we went there back in November. The flavored San Miguel beer. A San Miguel beer. I'm cooking the eggs. And I picked these flowers from, look at how gorgeous, the backyard garden. Here's what we're having for our weekend brunch. We have the hot dogs, eggs, rice, and then the battle gourd soup. And then coffee for us, milk for Josh. Let's eat. I'm about to prepare dinner. It's going to be pork liempo. I marinated this overnight, and on this like sauce, inihaw sauce. I have been craving for this for a while now. I'm going to grill this outside. It's late summer, so there are a lot of mosquitoes. I'm going to use this. This is a mosquito repellent, citronelle, where I am barbecuing. Right here, this is the citronelle. I'll just like scatter this here so they don't like bite me or suck my blood. There you go. That is cooking, let's harvest some calamansi for our dipping sauce. These are wing beans. Still waiting for it to bear flowers. Calamansi. Our calamansi tree is here. And there are some calamansi that are ready. Oh, there are still bees. And here's our calamansi. Grilled liempo and a grilled shrimp. I'm also cooking jackfruit in coconut milk with turmeric. Let's slice our liempo so it's easier to eat. Here's our dipping sauce, the calamansi and then soy sauce. It's our new favorite. This one, Sunmig flavored beer. Dinner is ready. Grilled shrimp, grilled liempo, and the dipping sauce is calamansi with soy sauce with calamansi from the backyard garden. Jackfruit in coconut milk with turmeric, and then rice. Let's eat. We're going to Seafood City. We're getting our free rice. We got like a coupon for free rice the last time we shopped here. Can we get this? 1 second, can we get this for breakfast?
No. Paksiw, no.
Paksiw, peanut clams, Manila clams, cherry stone clams, and then which one? Langoustine, jumbo squid, shrimp.
I like I like the white shrimp, the ones that are kind of straight, not the ones that are curled up.
San Miguel with coriander.
They have San Miguel Blanca now.
Okay.
It's wheat ale with coriander.
Yeah. And the other like the San Miguel.
San Miguel Negra, Red Horse, San Miguel.
San Miguel
Flavored
lychee.
beer, lychee.
You want to try that? I can try that. Lychee.
Okay.
And then this one is apple. Yung mga ano, mga daing. Tinapa. Tuyo. Fish sarap.
Pwede
Yan, fish
natin
sarap.
i-air fryer, no?
Yeah, ito mukhang masarap din, no?
Yung danggit, wala ba?
Beef and garlic, o ano ito? Chili and garlic. Iba-ibang flavor na pala ito eh, no? Ube milk. Condensed creamer. Go to the snack section. Mackerel. Yatos. Crackers. Malaki na, no? Malaki.
Yeah.
Dalawa lang.
Dagdagan mo na.
Mamasita inihaw. Garlic vinegar marinade. Vinegar. There. Here at Valerio's. And these are the bread. These are Filipino bread. I used to like this one. And here's what we got here. A chowking. Siomai, siopaw, I think. And then the jelly and the taho. To get a birthday gift. I'm going to here. I'm back in the car. Here's what I got. It's so they sprayed like cologne on top. It smells so good. And then I got a gift too. I'll show you later my gift. Going to a friend's birthday party in Anaheim. Mountain.
116 to the right onto California. The station is on the right.
There's no more parking. You probably have to park on the other side.
Mommy, hi JD.
Look, Mom, all of our clothes has white in it.
I think Daddy.
Hi.
Hey Josh, call Daddy. Hi Josh, are we waiting for Daddy?